Niyabona ukuthi ubungozi esizama ukuvika kangakanani bantu bakithi. Niyabona amaphoyisa ubungozi esizama ukuvika kangakanani ukuthi senze into enokuthula, senze into enenhlonipho. Bese kusuka abantu bakithi benze ngama security baphatha ama-toys ebhamu kanje bese bezosabisa thina singashongo ukuthi sizobulala isitolo. Sike sasho ukuthi sizobulala isitolo. Then why manje wengane zakithi ningayivumi kwanini nisebenza kule nto le? Resign kule nto le. Ngoba ngelinye ilanga bazofika umphakathi lo ushise le nto kunawe phakathi. Kwenziwa yilama security lento ayenzayo. Senza into enokuthula sihamba nenqwaba yamaphoyisa. Yonke into esiyenzayo sicela emaphoyiseni. Ayikho nje into esiyenzayo wrong. Why kulandwa abantu abaphethe ibhamu kuthiwa bazovimba umphakathi? Niyabona ukuthi ukufa lokhu. Kuyekeni ninengane zakithi. Kuyekeni baba usebenza la ekhaya. So why are you having these guys with toys here? Why are you having these guys with toys here? Why? Why are you trying to scare the community? Bonke kahle ke bafuna ukuboshwa manje bonke laba bantu laba bafuna nje ukuchargewa manje. Niyabona guys, we are not closing your shops because we are providing jobs to these people, to our sisters. But why are you doing the wrong thing? Why are you calling people with guns when we are peaceful? Why are you doing? Do you think those people, these guns that these people have, can stop us? Where's your boss? You mustn't do this. You are aggravating people. We are working so hard every night and day. We are trying to make sure that all this is going to be peaceful. And you guys are instigating violence. You are the ones who are instigating violence. And you Indians must stop this nonsense. We are not stupid. First of all, we are fighting for the country. You are not doing anything in, and you are coming to do this nonsense here. Every day we are defending every race, and you are trying to discriminate. This is discrimination. If you are going to call the people with guns to come and face us when we are not fighting, it's discrimination. And we will never protect these shops. We will just let people do what they want in these shops because you are stupid. You are very stupid. You are very stupid. You don't deserve to employ people if you are so stupid. These people won't grow. They won't grow. They're supposed to be floor managers. They're supposed to be merchandisers. They're supposed to be managers of these shops. And you don't groom them. All you do is fucking make these girls here do nonsense job in the bedrooms here. We know all your nonsenses. We know what you do to our girls. Yabona nje umuntu ovala induku wasibangela inkinga. Wena usho wena ngoba ungaka nje ungangezeze nje. Nje ungangezeze nje ungavimba ubani wena. Ungavimba ubani nje ungangezeze nje. Ungasijwayeli kabe nabe niphathana namasimbe ezibhamu zomkokotelo la. Ngoba nizobulalisa abantu. Khona manje kuba abantu ke bawahloniphanga amaphoyisa bangenile lapha. Ubuzokwenzani ngalento lena? Niyababona abantu abalapha. Kune task force lapha. Kune social lapha. Kune POP lapha, kune SIU lapha. Akusizilima lezi.